Try to open this one again, Amelia. Amelia, try to open the washing machine again. How do you open it? From there? Really? Yippo. Yeah, from there? That's the door. Open it. Open it. Help Daddy open. How do you open it? How do you open it? From here? Is it from here? From there? Is that the one? Did you? You managed to open it. Well done, Amelia. Yes, now you close it. Now you close it to keep your little hands off of it. Oh my goodness. Congratulations, Amelia. You're over 1 year old and you can open a washing machine. Oh. Come on, open it again. Oh, you did it before. Open. Yeah, your clothes are dirty. Yes, we have to wash them. Do. And how did we turn it on? That's what? For the cycles, yeah? This one? That's the power button. That's the cycles. And you press on. Yeah. Yes, and that's where it gets displayed the time. Yeah, over there. But we need to open this one, yeah, don't we? Yeah. Oh, how come you can't open it now?